morning po. Hiram lang po sana ako ng wrench dito sa shop.
Sige, gusto ko na lang yung makihiram mo lang.
Ayos na kasi.
Continue discussing other types of wrenches. Hook spanner works on a round nut which has a series of notches cut in its outer surface. The hook or lug is placed in one of the notches and the handle turned to loosen or tighten the nut. Adjustable spanner is designed to fit nuts to various diameters. U-shaped spanners have either lugs or pins that fit in notches or holes in the top of the nut or screw plug. Pin spanners have a pin instead of a lug, the pin fitting a round hole in the edge of the nut. Allen type wrench has a 6-sided shaft that fits into the head-shaped creases of set screws and cap screws. And lastly, we have Bristol type wrench. It has a number of splines on the shaft, the design tending to reduce spread.
Yun po lang pinagkaiba ng mga wrenches. Siya, ako hihiram muna. Dito ka muna.
Yeah. Thank you.